Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Nashon from Nissan and InfinityFans07Guy here. Tonight, I'm going to be showing you in-depth review and walk around of this 2010 Lexus RX 450h. This one is a body shop was ran from 2010 to 2015. It is so. Please excuse that noise. It is too dark outside. If you want to watch the video, you should do a settings brightness to see that clearly. You should make computer, and tablet. You should make a bright up change the brightness settings for higher because it's gonna be dark outside. Because I have a flashlight in me. So, anyways, tonight I'm gonna show you in-depth review of the RX. I'll start up, show the engine. I'll show you the inside of this car, then the outside of the car. I have a flashlight, so please bear with me. The light up. Anyways, without further ado, we have a key for a second. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let it run. Let me see. It's dark and yeah. Vehicle has also a smart key access system, which does the light up. You make sure your key fob with you. The door's on to your left. If you want to lock it, there's a touchpad on it. The door is locked, and there's a sensor at the back. It's unlocked. Color of the exterior is silver with light gray leather interior. Let me turn off the flashlight. This vehicle was made in February of 2010. It is dark outside. I've turned on the light. This car only has 300,000 kilometers. Let me turn on the light because it's dark outside. And yeah. I'll see the interior battery after, because if you want to, like I said, you will be able to see with the brightness up. Anyways, you keep out with you, put your foot on the brake, hand button, start with the light green. $300,000 kilometers. Fires right up. You have a 3-spoke design leather wrapped steering wheel with the wood grain on it. Coming to a transmission, you have a CVT transmission. Manual shifter. You have a backup camera. Parking brake is located down there, which is foot operated. Works. Keep it on because for a hill, keep it on for safety. Okay, let me turn off the flashlight, please. So, let's cut on the headlights. As well as the hazards. Fog lights already on. All 4 windows are automatic. Let's check out the exterior, shall we? Here's the climate controls on. Okay, I'll do that after. It's beeping because it doesn't have a key. Headlights are yellowed, including the logo. Vehicle's in power on because it's a hybrid. If you press the acceleration, the fan is on. pretty nice looking. Pretty nice. This is the second time Lexus video I did. Last one was I did a 2024 ES back in September, so yeah. And the RX is the first time I'm doing, and is a hybrid one. This one is blown, that one is fused, that one is light is out. Third brake light up top. Let me open the trunk. Yeah, the trunk won't even stay open. Your lights, I have to leave it on. Yeah, I'll leave it on. Has third row seats fold. Carpet mats. This is a storage, that's a battery backpack. Let me open the hood. Let me open the gas door, pop the hood. Under the hood, you have a Toyota's 3.5 liter V6. Here's a latch. This is a 3.5 liter Atkinson cycle V6 with 3 electric motors. Lexus hybrid drive. It's a hybrid. It's covered. It might be a battery over here. Okay, let me turn off the flashlight. It's on. Okay, now let's review the inside. So power windows, locks, mirrors. This one has a power folding mirrors. Like I said, if you put on reverse the camera, if you put on reverse the mirror can be moved. I'm not gonna show that. Has a full power driver seats. A little bit of tear on the seats. It's a little bit. Power recline, power lumbar, and then thigh extension. Have a power tilt telescoping steering wheel. Show you that once. Now let's review the inside. Your cup holders. This car comes with the 8-inch display. It's not a touchscreen. You have to use a mouse control. It does have navigation. If you zoom over here, that's a control. That's a mouse haptic. If you press the menu right here, it's only see. If you go audio, this one has a Bluetooth audio and has here CD. Don't want cop. Let me turn off the music because I don't want to get copyright. AM.
Nasdaq rose 51. The S&P up 22. Erica Herskowitz, Bloomberg Radio.
Let's see.
Helen?
Your diamond pendant design is brilliant.
Oh, thanks. It's basically the story of me and my boyfriend.
Really?
My Luke.
Your
He's
climate
a force of
control?
nature, always chasing some wild idea. He's the wind, moving to his own.
You can do that on
so
climate
tough to keep
control.
up with him.
That's where you come in.
Yes, I'm the sun. Warm, bright,
You can
centered,
control on the
voice of
control
reason.
too.
My steady calm balances Luke's beautiful chaos.
You even do that mouse on
So
this navigation.
pendant has a
Pretty
slow
nifty.
fold. That's Luke.
When we
Always
turn on
moving.
AC,
And
it's
a brilliant
cold.
created diamond. Me,
It's on a
holding it all
different
together.
zone.
Sun in the wind.
Exactly. You like the name?
I do.
For guys like Luke, to help them stay.
You know, so do that too, and the heated
Think he'll give you
heated mirrors
You
and
know what, Callum?
windshield defroster,
He better.
the sun in the
your
wind pendant,
circulation.
starting at $399 while quantities last. Spence. Across from
Nice.
Scarborough Town Center.
This controls a head-up display.
And next to the Colossus
And
Theater
you will
in Vaughan.
see right
You're
here.
listening to All News Radio. Durham Regional Police are
see,
hunting for a
it's
man and have
controls.
another in custody in connection to the stabbing murder of a man in Oshawa Tuesday. Around 4:15 that morning, officers were called to Park Road South and John Street, where the victim was found suffering from stab wounds.
Okay.
He's been identified as 44-year-old Jeremy Russell, who was taken to
I'm not gonna do
hospital where he later
Hold on.
died. Investigators
Sorry
have
about
located
that.
the first suspect, 33-year-old Nicholas Robbins from Oshawa.
So,
He is now facing a second-degree murder charge. They're now
it's your
looking
map.
for 44-year-old Michael Waterman, wanted for second-degree murder.
Phone.
You can see his photo
Use a
on
phone.
the Durham Police website. Your trusted news,
Your
680
fuel
News Radio
consumption,
and CFTR
pretty
AM
nice.
Toronto, 680
and
News
map
Time
data.
is
Need some
7:30.
update. You need a contact dealer to update your
Number
map.
one for breaking news, traffic, and weather.
Calendar.
680 News Radio.
December
Toronto.
2025. It's vehicle's already 15 years old.
This is Wednesday, December 24th. I'm Dylan McGuire. Merry Christmas
Setups.
Eve to you. Here's what's making news this
General.
hour.
Your language.
We're rapidly closing in on Christmas Day. Closures, transit, and weather.
Clock.
We have everything you need to know beforehand.
Voice.
In North York, a car crashed into a building, has claimed one life, and sent 4 others to the
Your
hospital
voice.
this afternoon.
Your
The
volume
driver
of your
the
voice.
transport truck is in
Audio voice.
life-threatening condition this evening after a 401 crash this morning. Here comes
Navigation.
Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa
Detail
Claus
navigation
Lane.
settings.
That's right, Gene, and the transport
Phone.
minister has provided
Your
Santa that
phone.
lane right
Your
through
Bluetooth.
Canadian airspace. We'll
Your
tell
audio.
you Santa's location coming up.
Sound settings.
We've got a snapshot of where
This
the
one has a Mark
Raptors
Levinson sound
interceptors
system.
sit at the holiday break, plus NFL action
And-
on Christmas Day. Sports at 45.
Already there. There's your vehicle settings.
Time 7:31.
Maintenance.
Rogers Xfinity Internet traffic.
Need some
and
engine
together on
oil.
the lines. We head on over to Brendan Lang.
And
Thank
vehicle
you very much, Dylan.
customization. Door
it's
lock
getting a
settings.
little bit better here as we speak, as you are making your way across those major
Pretty nice.
routes.
Pretty
as
nifty.
they're
Very
right
easy
now. This
access.
report is brought to you
Climate
by 407
settings.
ETR. So if you are headed westbound on the
Pretty
401
nifty.
Avenue in the collectors, the left lane is still shut down because of a
Light
stalled vehicle,
settings.
still causing slight delays on the approach
nice.
to Avenue as you travel
And other
in
vehicle
those collector
settings.
lanes. But once you get through traffic picking up,
That's
well,
all.
until you get to around
Nice.
Kipling, because at Kipling you have the third and fourth lanes from the left
Pretty
closed
nice.
down because of a crash. One of those lanes have reopened. You also
Okay,
had one
your
more lane
light-
shut down, but
use your
again,
light.
One of them have reopened, so just those 2 lanes block, causing delays from Islington and the Express.
Yeah,
right now.
I'll leave it on.
The
It's
volume
too
going
dark
from
outside.
northbound
Your
Don
auto
Valley
dimming
Parkway
review
from
mirror.
approaching Eglinton to York Mills, so expect a slight slowdown as you make your way out
Lights.
of downtown Toronto. Northbound on the 410 from approaching Clark Boulevard to Beauvert. Again, some volume
Your
delays there.
sunroof.
Westbound on the 403
let me
west
see,
of Highway
it's
52.
still
That
bright.
left lane is closed up because of a collision as well. Eastbound on the 401, traffic looking like it's moving a whole lot better at this point. Still slight delays though from McAllen to Markham Road in those collector lanes right now. But again, not
It's
much
still
delays before that. And then once you get past the traffic moving well on
It is
the
dark
eastbound
outside,
side
so
of
yeah.
the 401, then traveling on City Street southbound Pharmacy,
Pretty nice.
approaching Shepherd, all lanes closed off
Coming
here
to
because
steering
of
wheel, you
the
have steering
collision.
control of
Thank you very
changing the
much for
presets.
traffic
This
spotter
one is a
that just called in
Bluetooth,
saying, eastbound
and
on
it
16th
controls the
Avenue at Kennedy,
display.
the left lane shut down again because of
It has a
collision. And
radar.
on Highway 407 ETR helps build a better province from jobs to stronger communities.
It has a voice
407
recognition too.
ETR.com.
Audio.
Pardon?
Audio.
Audio.
Seek down.
Seek down.
Here,
Pretty
you've got
nifty. I
to
can
realize
try
who
one
you
more
are.
time. Go home.
Home.
Pretty nice.
Pardon?
Cancel.
Cancel. Voice recognition mode has been canceled.
Pretty nice.
For silly scenarios.
Pretty voice recognition. If you go in the menu, if I go to destination,
by allowing your guests to enter
if you
your
go on the
home,
address, if
they've
I
not turned into your
the
tenant,
street address,
right? There's no lease going on. All you've given
you
them
enter
is
your
what's
house
called a
number
license,
or
a
even
license to
city.
enter. And the license to enter, first,
Pretty nice
you can
looking.
give it orally, right? You don't need to
Address
give it in
book.
writing. And because you've given
And
it
here's your weather,
orally,
too.
it's also terminable at will using the same method of termination as you
Yeah,
use
your
for
address,
granting
that's a
it. So
destination.
orally, meaning you are within your rights. Just tell your annoying relatives, get out.
Let me see.
So if I tell
Your
my
question,
father-in-law to get the
that's
heck out
editing.
on a legal
Okay.
basis, I'm fine. But on a social
Your headlights turn
basis, I
signal?
might be in a lot of trouble, though. But that's beyond your purview as a lawyer.
Oh, sorry.
100%. No, actually it's not. And you know,
I'm almost done. I'm just
this
making.
would depend on
Let me
your
see.
family dynamics. Maybe you're used to evicting each other. Who knows?
Okay.
Interesting.
All right. I'm almost done. I have to do quickly. Your parking assist might be eco mode. Let me leave it on for efficient. Snow mode. AFF system. EV mode. Nice. Let me keep the EV mode on.
Computer widget, whatever.
Nice.
Can I ask them for
Your
my
windshield?
gift back, or once it's given, that is their property?
Okay, so fortunately for
Nice.
you, the law actually
That's pretty much about interior. It might be it has a power meter, temperature, speedometer, and a gas mileage, and a display.
Okay, let me take that back. It's
Your heated seats and ventilated
relatively
seats.
common that people make large uncompensated
Heated
transfers
seats.
of money or
It has
some
ventilated seats.
and with one
And also a
exception,
passenger,
the law
driver and
always
passenger.
deems
Your cup
these
holder.
transfers to be trust. What this means
And
is that if,
some
for
glass
example,
box
Lisa
storage.
Smith, if I transfer my
And your storage right here. Let me see the rear entertainment for a second. If I turn on the
presume the transfer to be a
rear
trust,
mode,
meaning
we'll
that
see.
I made you a trustee.
Now check out the back seat, shall we?
Even the existence of this
And also
trust,
has
I can
storage too.
help you, and I can even direct you.
If I forgot,
You will
here's a
have to
couple,
obey
like I
to
said, already
transfer the
mentioned it
condo
like that.
back to me. Okay, so the law.
You're a law professor on my radio show. Are you telling me if you can transfer me $1 million
Here's the
bucks,
storage,
you can then immediately
power
say,
windows,
"Actually, I need that back"?
for sure, cup
Yes,
holder.
with one exception. If
Nice.
unbeknownst to
Let me move
you
on
are
to
my
storage.
minor child, then the presumption is the other way. In that case, it's presumed to be a gift. But to the best of my knowledge, if you are not my minor child.
There's a light.
I'm certainly not a minor. I haven't seen a DNA test, but it would be highly irregular.
This is a rear entertainment system, but
Or if
like
get
I
someone
said,
an expensive gift years later, I can ask
yeah,
for it back.
down over here,
Not
your
much of a time window, because
power
I'll
outlet.
explain why this is,
There's
right?
inverter
Because
and
the
it
law knows
control
that
the video.
essentially
Let me try to turn it off. Can you call the time, Dad? Okay. Your rear vents, storage, and your cup holder. And like I said, there was a dealer didn't give it that the remote is missing. And here's your vent. Nice. I have to leave the light on. It's dark outside. Naga, I have to leave it out because I have to shut down because might be someone going. That's okay. Windows, storage, folder. Wait. Leave the light on. It's dark outside. And also door sills. Wait a second. Alright. That's a wrap up video. Well, hope you enjoy in-depth tour and walk around of this 2010 Lexus RX 450h. I have to, my dad have to shut down the car because just saving a gas. Anyways, thanks for watching and goodbye. Stay tuned. Take care.